Alright, this is going to be Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra Teardown. We will see what tools we need as we go on. Most likely just some kind of Pry Tool, Spudger, Sem removal, and a Phillips, probably a 1.5 or 2.0. And I think that should be everything. But we'll see as we go. JGE here, and in front of me I have the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and today we're going to be doing a full disassembly of the device. So we can go ahead and power down the phone. We'll flip it over and we will start by removing this back here. We're going to just use a little bit of heat, and then we will use some isopropyl alcohol along the edges to soften that up, that adhesive, and then we will take it off and we'll proceed from there. And if you ever do need parts or tools to do any sort of repairs on your device, you can find it at JGE&x. Let's get into it. Alright, now that we got this open, first thing that we should probably do, just in case we forget in the future, would be to go ahead and remove the SIM card. Alright, now we'll go ahead and just unscrew every screw that's here. And we'll be using a Phillips 2.0. We'll go ahead and remove the charging coil here. And we'll go ahead and disconnect the battery and all the connections over here on the main board. Be careful not to damage any of the small capacitors and just other components around the connectors. I'll go ahead and remove the speaker right here. We'll disconnect the ribbons. Now we got 3 more screws here. We'll go ahead and remove the charging board here. Now we'll go ahead and remove the top speaker here. 5G antenna that sits right in here. We'll disconnect the front-facing camera ribbon. We should be free to pull open the board here. So we'll go ahead and do that. And we'll go ahead and disconnect the ribbon. We'll just apply some heat to soften up the adhesive around the front-facing camera. We'll go ahead and remove that battery. Just put some isopropyl alcohol here in between the battery and this pull tab. Alright, now if you want to go even further, you can proceed with removing the buttons, and then similarly, you can remove the screen here. Alright, thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy our parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.